Good morning everyone. After a long time I'm back. So today I'm going to make beef stroganoff. I will tell you what I'm using ingredients. Chop onion, olive oil, garlic, mushroom, this is gherkin, salt, pepper, this is demi-glace. One day I will tell you how to make demi-glace in homemade, and beef. So I will tell you how to make this one. Yalla, okay, start make one by one. First reheat the pan, then after that add little bit olive oil. Little reheat this one for the heat. After heat, add little garlic. I think this is my style. And onion, chop onion. Saute a little this one. After that, add beef here. Saute a little bit here. When you put the beef, it will come in water a little bit. So we need to cook until finish the water. Little bit, no problem inside water from the bowl, but we need to cook a little bit more. So you can see it's coming water. We need to reduce some little because if water have there, it tastes not good. So this much reduce the water. After that add mushroom here, because mushroom also have water. When we cook the mushroom, it will come little bit water. After that add the gherkin. Gherkin meaning like a cucumber pickle. Then pepper powder. After that we have to add here demi-glace. I will tell you each how many gram need to put here. I will write down everything, ingredients and recipe all in my channel. Actually this is little bit dry, so we can add little here water. Just little, see. Hi guys, this is okay. Okay, so now I'm going to later this one. First put mashed potato here little. Beef stroganoff. So after this one, because I'm going to put the garnish here, I have here red cabbage pickle and gherkin. So we put on the top little gherkin here and red cabbage pickle. So this is my beef stroganoff.